So, what's up guys? Welcome into a new video and happy December 1st, my favorite month with May because my birthday. Anyways, if you are hearing some weird noise, this is my little puppy that is sleeping there. If you want to know more about my puppy, I made a video introducing him, so he's there. But since this is December 1st, we are going to set up a business goal for 2021. So starting this January until December 2021, so December next year, we are going to plan business goal to achieve next year. And how we're going to do this? We're going to do this on Trello. So if you don't know what is Trello and how to use it, you can watch this video first. This is a kind of how to use Trello and how to make a content calendar for your social media on Trello. So I advise you to watch this video before, since in that video I am not going to go into like what is a card, what is a list, what is a board, all of that, but I actually did on that video, so you guys can go watch it first. If you know Trello, if you used it before, then you can keep watching that video. So you are going to learn how to set up business goal for 2021 on Trello. First, we are going to go into Trello, so you are going to log in, okay? And then we are going to create a new board that we are going to call Business Goals 2021. We are going to create new lists, and inside those lists, we are going to create cards. So, in my board, Business Goals 2021, I'm going to start by creating 3 lists. The first one will be goals for the year. So it will be all my goals that I want to achieve during the year, meaning I have the entire year to achieve my big goals. This is my big goals of the year. For example, one of my big goals of the year will be to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and my 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. This is one of my big goals for 2021. Then we are going to create another list beside our big goals, like for the entire year. We are going to create goals for the next 6 months. So it will go from January to June. And so the next first 6 months, we're going to take a couple of those goals from 2021, some of those goals that we want to achieve the first 6 months. And then we're going to create another list. So that's going to be our third list. That will be the goal that we want to achieve on the other part of the year, July to December. And so each 6 months we will have different goals from our big goals of 2021. Does it make sense? I don't know. I think when I'm going to show you how I put this together, you will totally understand. But anyways, we are going to add one more list where you are at in December of this year, so right now. And on your next list, you're gonna do the month of January and you will set a little goal. So I'm going to show you exactly how I put this on Trello. Sounds like it's confusing. So now let's go into making this business goal 2021 on Trello right now. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so do you get what I just did here? So I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lists to show you where I want to go with this board. So the first one is big goal to achieve in 2021. This is all your big goals. And then it will be the goals for the first 6 months, the goals for the last 6 months, and then we start to get little goals every single month. Okay, so this is the only thing I can think of for now, but I will probably add more things through the year. And then I'm going to take some of those cards and put them on my goals for the first 6 months, my goals for the last 6 months. I'm not going to write where I am at in December because it's where I'm at in December 30th. So I don't know yet because we're still at the end of November. So I will set up those cards at the end of December. Okay, so from now you see where I'm going with that. So I make my big list, then I fill up that list and break it into other lists, the first and the last, and you know where I'm going with where I'm at in December 30th, where I want to be in January, where I'm at the end of January. Did I achieve those goals? Or that is the 3 big goals. There's not little goals, there's no big goals, there is goals. So whatever is your goals, whatever the goals that you are trying to achieve, writing it down and trying to make it happen will help you make it happen. If you don't set goals, you will never know where you are at and where you come from and what you need to push and what you need to do to achieve them. So anyways, after that you can label whatever you want. I know that I love to label my work. For example, for YouTube, I like to label this in red because YouTube is red, so I'll do YouTube, save, and so I'll label this YouTube. Okay guys, you did it. You made your business goals 2021 on the software Trello on your computer or on your phone. So you know there is an app, Trello app, that I do have on my iPad and I also have on my phone. So that way I always know and I always can check things, because on Trello I also have my YouTube content calendar, blog content calendar, business goals, and also life goals. If you like this video and learned something today, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss any of my future uploads. Until next time, take care and bye. And I just wanted to show you my little baby here. He's sleeping again. Always sleeping. That's good because that way I can walk. But he's getting bigger and bigger since the last time that you saw him. My little fox. He's sleeping with his blanket. Alright, bye guys.